it's probably easier to have, a ruler to draw the lines in through it. But so that point is on the horizon line. And if you were drawing a street or a town or something like that, as you get closer, and depending on what angle you take with this, you can make it, this angle or wider. But the closer you get, the wider the part, the part of the street would be that's at the front of the drawing. And then you can plot your way through the whole rest of the drawing. If you look at some of those things we studied in the art year, Vermeer and all of those perspective drawings where they did massive rooms. But then you can, your buildings will all stem from that too. So if you have a line here, because this building is shorter, and you draw the line straight down from this line to that line, then that means that the front of this building, as it gets closer, anywhere along the way, wherever the building ends, you go from that to that, and this will show you the perspective to draw it in. And so if there's a door on it, here it just has to go through this center. So if there's a door, you draw the line straight down there, but this is the angle that the top of the door will be, coming from there.
Draw a few buildings.
And then, and if you draw straight across, you're never going to see a building. Well, actually, if you're doing 2-point perspectives, the building might, go that way. But in 1-point perspective, these lines are always going to be straight up and down or perpendicular. So the building's top is always going to look like that. And remember that picture that was in front or over the stove in Claremont?